I the only one who's OCD and cleans their phone with sanitizer wipes all the time? Like every day? Gross. Hey everyone, it's Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, oh my goodness, thank you so much. I'm really excited for today's video because it has been a long time in the making. I've always been curious about soap brows for years, really. I've just never made the decision to try it because I am a procrastinator, okay? Just being real with you guys. So I was at the grocery store yesterday. I'm walking around and I walked past this bar of Glycerin Soap. It's a vitamin E enhanced glycerin soap. I was like, that kind of sounds like it would be perfect. So if you want to see me test out soap brows, then just keep watching. Today's question of the day is, have you tried soap brows? Let me know down below if you have, and if you did it work for you? Is it something you kept in your routine? I think one of the reasons I haven't tried soap brows before is the fact that I'm like, is it realistic? Am I going to want to wet soap down every single day when I'm getting ready? Because your girl runs behind a lot, okay? It is very often that I'm running late getting ready for work. So will I want to wet down some soap and use it as brow gel? I don't know. If my brows look miraculous, maybe. So definitely let me know down below if you've tried this out before. You could have had a plan, bitch, not committal. I got that song stuck in my head. And if I sound nasally today, that's because I am. This weather keeps going burp, burp, burp. It's like 50 degrees today. Well, it's like 32. My sinuses can't keep up. I'm going to be using Smashbox primer water because I'm too lazy to go wet this in the bathroom. And also, from what I've seen on YouTube, the videos I looked up to try this out, you don't want this to be too wet. You don't want it to be super duper wet. In fact, we're going to set it and let it sit for a second, kind of get a little bit soft and goopy on the top layer. So I just did like 4 squirts. We'll see if that's enough. I have no idea, really. And then I'm just going to be using this Sedona Lace EB17 because it's got a nice spoolie on the end. Please don't judge my brows right now in this tutorial because I really need to get them done. I had that cold sore for the longest time. I was sticking around. If you didn't know, I had a cold sore on my nose. Yes, I'm lucky like that. I get them on my nose. So I had a cold sore and I just didn't want to go get my brows done and have her have to like stare at it when she's all up and personal in my business. I just didn't feel right about it. So I have not got my brows done in a very long time, but I did get my nails done. Look at them. Oh, I love them. They're like fall and holiday all in one. It looks, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it looks as though the water is kind of absorbed a little bit. Maybe, I kind of think mine's too dry. Okay, I'm going to have to do more. 4 squirts was not enough. And maybe I shouldn't let it sit so long so it doesn't all absorb into it. Online it says to make a paste. Mine's not really making a paste. Oh, okay, it is. It's just really gunking up in the spoolie. I didn't even see it. Okay. So, I have made a paste there, as you can see. And then I saw that you should like roll your spoolie to try to spread out the soap. And now I've got my handy dandy little mirror here. Hopefully I'm still on camera. And everybody says to go straight up with your brows first and then shape them. This is supposed to hold better than any eyebrow gel on the market. It's funny because it's definitely doing it, but it just doesn't, I've felt brow gels that feel more strong hold than this, so I'm like, is it going to keep my brows up? I don't know. It's making me realize how bad I need help with my brows right now. Like I want mine to be like up, like I stuck my finger in a socket and my brows went, like that's what I want. And I feel like they're already falling because my brow hairs over here naturally kind of go like curve back. I want them to be like up. Definitely leave soap on your skin, which I don't know, like I'm like, is that gonna make me break out? I hope not. Maybe it'll work better. It does look a little bit thicker now that it's kind of sat there and dried out for a minute. Let's see how this brow does. This actually, I feel a little bit more of a tug when I'm putting it on, so maybe the other one was just too wet. Like, there's a lot of product on here, so I'm wondering how putting product over top is going to go, because that is thick now. This soap did turn very transparent and clear on the brow, which is good. But I can definitely see it on my brow. I'm going to go back over this one. Definitely feel like I just needed to let it sit a little bit longer, because it's nice and thick now. But I don't know, my brows still want to fall back down. Woo! I've got a lot on there. I don't know if that's how I'm supposed to do it. And I can feel it on my eyebrows right now. I'm going to try to wipe off some of this excess, because I could feel, like, it feels sticky, just like moving my brows like that. Now I'm cleaning off my spoolie here. Ooh, there was a lot of soap in there. Look how much product I got out of there. That looks disgusting. This brow now is like cooperating, where this one's like, no, I'm gonna fall down. So I'm gonna just put like barely any on here and try to. But these brow hairs are a lot different than this side. My brows are definitely cousins. I don't know what would be best for this. I've seen people use a bunch of different products. I think I'm going to try this e.l.f. Lock-On Brow and Liner. And I think I'm going to go between the Sedona and this brush that's all worn off and I don't know what's on there. Because I don't want a product that's too firm, because then I feel like it'll just move what I've got going on from the soap. So here we go. I want that fluffy model brow. I want it to be extremely hair-like in the front, then maybe a little bit more filled in as we go. This might technically be a winged liner brush. It helps you get more hair-like strokes. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. You could, when they're still softer, slide them back over a little if you don't like them so up in the air, but I kind of wanted it to be up in the air. See, this one is just not, this one is not cooperating. I guess it's not horrible. Per what my daddy taught me, don't kick a sleeping dog. If you've got it good enough, leave it alone, because then it just goes downhill quickly. But you guys, this is the finished brow. Let me know what you think. I actually kind of like it. I can feel the product on my brows though. I'm not really used to that, but I don't know. I kind of like it. And I feel like my brows are so much more lifted than usual. Let me know down below what you think. Have you tried it out? Let me know down below. I don't think it's that difficult. I don't think it's as messy or as time consuming as I expected. I think there's just a little bit of a learning curve. I definitely think it's something I will need to practice with a bit. I kind of wish I found a soap though that didn't smell so strong, because honestly I can kind of smell it on my brows still. This is a very woodsy, masculine smelling soap. So I think next time I'll look for unscented, but honestly, like, this one bar would probably last me like the rest of my life. But yeah, guys, that is everything for today's video. Let's do the shout out of the day. Today's shout out of the day is Karen Ann MUA. Hi Laynie, I'm new. Beautiful name. I don't want to enter the giveaway. I'm just here to show support. Oh my gosh, Karen, thank you, and you also have a beautiful name. Thank you so much for being here. Oh my goodness, thank you for showing your support. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. You guys, if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button, join the Lash Fam. You will not regret it. The Lash Fam is growing. It's so stinking exciting. We have the most supportive, kind, and loving people here, and that is everything. As always, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.